Carl. So iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max into the studio. We'll just do a very quick unboxing. I'm actually just about to head to Greece and we'll be testing these out a bit more, but I want to showcase the colors. This, of course, are the two that I think will sell the most. So this is in, of course, black, and this is raw titanium, and this is the one that I want to check out. They come in the two different sizes, so 6.1 versus 6.7. We'll do the Pro first, and slowly lifting that off, and there you can see the black titanium. This is actually the first time I'm holding it in hand. That looks pretty nice, and I was a bit worried it would be too light, but it feels still nice and solid. It doesn't have that heft that the stainless steel has, which I know this might be unpopular opinion, but I prefer the weight of stainless steel. Like, I like heavier phones. I think weight for me sometimes translates to premiumness, and I do like the feel of stainless steel, but this doesn't feel cheap in any way. It's still nice and cold on the banding on the outside, and this is actually the first time I'm looking at the little action button, which you can map now to certain functions like launching the camera, like shortcuts. Let me know what you would put it to. I would probably just keep mine to the camera since it's the app that I use the most. Inside, designed by California and Apple, if that's the first time that you're seeing that. So user manuals, warranty info, a white Apple sticker, a SIM card tool since I'm in Canada and I still have an actual SIM card slot, and a braided USB-C cable, USB-C on both tips, as of course that's another big upgrade coming to the 15 lineup. Everything is now finally synonymous with USB-C. Let's say goodbye to Lightning. RIP, buddy. You won't be missed. So you'll get around 50% more battery with just 30 minutes of charging. That's thanks to the speed of USB-C. And what's new to the Pro Max? Obviously the titanium is a new one. And I do like this rounded back. It feels pretty premium in the hand, like I said. And of course we've got the triple camera setup, so 48 megapixel main. You still got the 212s, and on the Pro Max, that's where you actually get a 120 mil zoom, just because it's a bit of a larger device. So maybe we'll take a look at the raw titanium next. This is the one that I was most stoked to see, and I initially thought the blue would look good, but from some of the stuff I've seen online, that is looking really, really fresh. I think I've just found my new favorite color. If you were on the fence, by far the raw titanium is the best. And kind of removing this, there's just something so nice about how the light hits it. It's in this like beautiful gray color for all like you Audi fans. Maybe a bit of a Nardo gray in there. It just kind of hits perfectly, and you kind of see the raw titanium on the sides. For the raw titanium though, it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet on the sides. It's cool to touch, but already in the quick 10 seconds you can see it is definitely collecting a couple smudges. But on the back, it's almost like frosted. It's a matte finish, so if you are someone like myself that likes to rock their phones a bit naked, you won't see too many fingerprints on the back, which I'm a huge fan of. Obviously, this coming with the bigger size. On the Pro models also, we have a thinner bezel than before, which I'm someone that loves to pixel peep. I love that. We've got the always on display, Pro Motion, so 120 Hertz, and of course Dynamic Island. That is unchanged from last year. Inside the box, same kind of thing, USB-C cable on both sides. Unfortunately not color matched. I thought that could have been a thing. And the same little package designed by California and Apple. And if I quickly take a look at the two models now, side by side. The black, we've seen that before. Maybe that's why I'm kind of partial to the raw titanium. It's a new finish, it's a new color, and I think anyone that is completely on the fence, absolutely, just get the raw titanium. You won't regret it. Okay, and last but not least, pricing for the 15 Pro. That starts at $999 US or $1449 Canadian. That's like a 1.45 exchange ratio. Like our Canadian pesos just doing absolutely terrible. 128 gigs is the base storage, but interestingly enough for the Pro Max, so this starts at $1149 or $1,749 Canadian. But I guess they've upped the storage size, and that is at 256 156 gigs. So a bit of saving grace, but you can really see if you're Canadian, we are really suffering with our shitty exchange ratio. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I'm literally on the way to the airport to test these out, heading to Greece for a quick trip. And I will just be testing out the cameras. Battery life, it'll just kind of be my new daily as I pop my SIM into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first kind of look, little color comparison. They should be officially available today, so let me know which one you order. Grab the titanium, you won't regret it. I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next vids. Peace.